Ethereum's gone proof of stake, leaving miners worldwide scrambling. But don't panic, your GPUs still have a purpose. Let's explore some potentially profitable altcoins to mine in this post-Ethereum world. First, profitability. Websites like Whatamine and CoinWars are your best friends. They constantly update, showing which coins are currently the most profitable based on your hardware, input, your GPU model, and electricity cost for personalized results. Ravencoin, or RVN, is a popular choice. It uses the Compo algorithm, designed to be ASIC resistant, meaning your GPUs can compete. However, profitability fluctuates, so check frequently. Another option is Ergo, or ARG. It uses the Autolycos V2 algorithm. Ergo focuses on decentralized finance and has a strong community, which is good for long-term potential. Consider Flux, a decentralized computational network. It's mineable with GPUs using the Zell-Hatch algorithm and offers potential rewards for node operators too, which could be a bonus. Remember, hardware compatibility is key. Not all coins are created equal. Some algorithms favor certain GPUs, so research which coins work best with your setup. Also, overclocking and good cooling are essential for maximizing profits. Finally, think long-term potential. Look at the coin's underlying technology, community support, and development activity. A strong project has a better chance of long-term survival and increased value. The post-Ethereum mining landscape might seem uncertain, but with careful research and adaptation, you can find new and profitable opportunities in the world of altcoin mining. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share your favorite altcoins in the comments below.